Spathiphyllum is one of the world's favourite indoor plants. Commonly known as the peace lily, it's not a lily at all, and it gained its name as the flower resembled a flag of surrender being held aloft. But this doesn't detract from this easy-to-keep plant that produces wonderfully luxuriant glossy leaves, along with lovely white-hooded flowers on tall spikes. These are plants for low-light corners of your home, and they can survive in remarkably dim locations, though they will always do best in brighter, indirect light. And that's the vital trick with spaths. Never put them in direct sunlight for more than about half an hour a day, as it will scorch their leaves. They need to be warm, so avoid cold drafts, and they also like access to moisture, but as with most other plants, they don't like to be waterlogged. The best way to water spathiphyllums is to dunk them in a bowl of water for 10 minutes and then let them drain. They require little to no maintenance apart from snipping off any dead flowers or leaves and a light misting spray if conditions become too dry. They do like it humid. A feed twice a year with a dilute general purpose fertilizer will help them remain lush and luxuriant.